What a beautiful afternoon, family. It is Monday and we're right alongside Lake Volta having a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful lunch. And we're going to get a view of the meal we're going to be eating today. And we're also going to get an introduction from these beautiful ladies that prepare the meals. Hello, my sisters. How are you doing today?
Fine, thank you.
Yes, and can you give us the name of this location where we are?
Senchi.
Senchi.
Yeah.
And this is a restaurant slash resort.
Volta Safari.
We say Volta Safari,
Yeah.
meaning that it's a cruise on the lake. All right. And what does a typical cruise on the lake look like? In case some of our people from the U.S. or from other parts of the world want to come here and enjoy this beautiful resort. What are some of the things we can do on the lake?
Boat cruising.
And how long is that?
How long?
About 30 minutes, hour?
Maybe 30 minutes.
And what do you see on the cruise?
Yes,
You
the
go-
cruise around.
Oh, you go up to the bridge, but you don't go up to the dam. The dam is probably too far, right? Alright, family, see how beautiful the background is? Now we're going to give you a good view of what we have over here. We're going to start in this direction. Now what are we looking at here?
Salad. Mixed vegetable salad.
And can you open up this container and show us what we
We have
Woo!
jollof rice.
And that's what, vegetable fried rice? And what we have in this container?
This one is goat slice soup.
So you made it yourself?
Yeah.
Or the chef made it? That looks good.
Then we have banku here.
Banku.
Yeah.
Now a lot of people want to know what banku is. Can you give a good explanation of what banku is and how it's made and what does it taste like?
Kondo and yam.
Kondo and cassava dough mixed together.
Is it pounded like fufu?
No, we stir.
Or it's mixed? And what kind of chicken is this?
Grilled chicken.
So it's not guinea fowl, right? It's a good.
No.
I'm sure they're laughing at me. The sisters are laughing at me because I said guinea fowl. I'm not a chicken eater, so I don't know what a regular chicken look like versus a guinea fowl. So that's why I mentioned that. Is guinea fowl and chicken the same as when you cut it up and fry it? Do they look the same?
No, it's different.
How would it look? Is it like a wild? The legs are bigger.
Guinea fowl is hard. Then you have tilapia. Not tilapia. This one is tilapia.
And this come directly from the lake.
Yeah.
So who did all the fishing?
This one for sure.
How much is it, tilapia?
And we got some yam balls and
Kelewele. Local food.
Kelewele.
it's kind of like plantains, right?
Yeah, ripe plantain.
Excellent. Righteous. What do you think of this meal right here?
Wow, I feel like swallowing all the food right now. I'm so hungry.
How much do you think our folks enjoy this meal?
Oh well, you need to see their face while they are eating.
Sorry.
It's time to eat.
Food is ready, so.
Yes, time to eat. Food is ready. Everybody, food is ready, time to eat. And we're gonna start off with this wonderful lunch and then enjoy ourselves on this rest of this resort before we go back to Afriquico. All right, well, thank you for your time and energy, and we're gonna dine in.